Welcome back to my channel. Luke is here. I hope you have a wonderful day so far. Today I am going to show you how to replace a Serpentine bulb on a 2005 Chevy Equinox.
Just watching you work.
So this one is kind of tricky. It's you need to remove the air box, air filter, and the air box. So once you have that thing done, then you have the access to the motor mount. So make sure you check up your motor underneath with a jack. Then you're gonna remove the motor mount bolt, as you can see right there. Sometimes they're really easy to get out, but most of the time, like 80%, you'll be able to get that thing out pretty easily. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And you have any question regarding your car or your car repair, please hit the link down in the description. I will host a Q&A excuse me, Q&A every week, so please check the link down in the description, and it will show you how to register for my Q&A. I will see you there. And as you can see, motor mount is out of the way, and you'll be able to access your auto tensioner, the belt auto tensioner. See, as you can see, I jacked up the motor, so buy more room. So this one is, you have a Serpentine belt tool is really useful. It's give you more leverage, much better than you have your regular ratchet. If you have a long ratchet, it's work just fine too, but if you have a Serpentine belt tool to remove this thing, it's really useful. As you can see, I install a New belts on. The new belt is kind of difficult to work with because it's not previously formed by all the pulley, so it's kind of tricky, and it's kind of sturdy when you put a new belt on. Sometimes it's quite challenging and sometimes it's not. It also depends on the vehicle that you're working on too. Sometimes you have very little spot or space to work with. So this car is not so bad at all. So it treated me okay. Now you're gonna install the motor mounts on and torque it down. Then you have to lower the jack, the engine jack. There you go. So it fit perfectly. So all the bolts are lined up. So here is the important tip. Make sure you screw it in by hand so you do not cross thread. Then you can use your air impact after that. Well guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a blessing day. Luke is out.